Hey y'all, my name is Tootsie Roll, and yeah, I'm waiting for my friend to call me. Like, you already know, we bout this. We bout this life. Yeah, we bout it, cause we bad. We bad. Yeah, we bad. We bad. She better call me. I know I'm waiting. She better call me. And we about to get it. Wait till my bitch call me. Wait till my bitch call me. I love her so much, yo. You don't even know, cause when she come over here, and we bout it. We bout this. Hello. Hi, Candy. Girl, I'm waiting for you to come over. So what are you doing? Girl, you bring some sugar. Bring it. Kool-Aid. Oh, my bitch about to come. You already know. Girl, what baby is that? It's my baby. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Ain't this baby beautiful? This nigga trying to say this ain't his baby. Look at the nose. Look at the nose. No baby daddy. No. Girl, come. Both ass. Both ass. Come trying to ass having my eyes. You fucking cockroach nigga. Yeah, girl. Look at my baby. She is just beautiful. Just my child. Who don't want to be the daddy of this baby? Girl, she's so beautiful. Why? Yes, I will cut this nut. I will cut him down. His baby everything. No baby daddy. No baby. I'm just, we bought this life. Hold on, where my purse go? Girl, throw my purse on the way here. Somebody get my purse. Girl, here you go. My purse well, down there, my purse. Girl. Oh, are you great on my purse? I know. Let me see that purse. Let me see that purse. Hold up. God, I'm tripping. Give me a second. We about to take one second. Maury next week. Maury, girl, no. Maury, I need even the one, but we going to Dr. Phil. We going to Dr. Phil. Girl, I will cut this nigga. Think I will slice this nigga. I will cut this nigga. I will cut it, girl, can you? Like, why would you not want to be the baby mama? Like, dad, get my baby. Like, thank you, girl. There you go. Yes, girl. I'm gonna fuck them up, cause your tracks is coming all out. All out. Baby, real quick. I need to go. Girl, I got her. I got you. I'm just saying. Oh, this baby getting there. If you gon' claim. Hi. If you gonna claim to be my boyfriend, then you gotta be my baby daddy.